With After Effects, 3D motion design has never been faster or more fun. With high-performance preview playback, you can watch your entire comp without pausing and waiting. Faster, more modern caching uses your computer's RAM and hard disks to preview and play back larger and more complex projects faster than ever before. Take on any project, big or small, and play it back on any computer. Now you can make realistic 3D animations in just a few clicks. Create 360-degree lights made from your videos, animations, or entire comps, and use them to quickly illuminate your 3D work with details and reflections that move. New FBX model support means you'll now have access to millions of publicly available 3D models that can be animated right inside of After Effects. Complex, multi-step workflows can now be performed in a single click, making it easier for anyone to start working in 3D. You can now accurately monitor your work in HDR, high dynamic range, whether you're on a laptop or a desktop with an attached HDR display. Motion designers and video editors alike can accurately view their work in full HDR for complete color consistency and control. And we've been hard at work adding more top requests motion designers will love, including customizable fallow and transparency grid colors, consistent workspaces and layouts when sharing projects, and more. Motion design has never been better. It's the all-new After Effects. Update today.